clarification from the witness, and I hope she's listening, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there was a video that was played that showed one person that was said to be an activist in Meru, talking about something very malicious against the Senate. Mr. Speaker, I would like the witness to tell us the circumstances surrounding those comments. Mr. Speaker, number two, there was a fire in the witness's compound, Mr. Speaker, but looking at the image on the video, the fire was just next to the wall. There was some goods that would have been destroyed by this fire, but which did not catch fire? Would the witness clarify exactly how the fire that was supposed to be damaging to her property actually fell just next to the wall? Mr. Speaker, in conclusion, I would like the witness to clarify and tell us, because there is a claim that there was a particular disease that was killing cattle in Meru, Mr. Speaker. Would the witness tell us whether she made a statement to the county assembly or a question or even a petition in the county assembly? Being a member of the county assembly, Mr. Speaker, instead of prosecuting this matter in public. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Those are the clarifications I'll be seeking from the witness. Thank you.
Madam Zipporah, you may respond directly to those three questions.
The comments made by the activists against this house, this honorable house, I started by saying I regret those comments. They are not part of, they don't form the opinion of the County Assembly of Meru on the opinion of this house. And I also trust they don't form the opinion of the Meru people. And according to the video, because I was not present in that meeting, it shows that there was some, the video shows that there were some prayers for the late brother that we've talked about. And it is in those circumstances that the person who talked about or who gave those comments commented on that. And personally, I may not really understand why the activists went into castigating this honorable house in his own comments. I believe it is unfortunate, unwarranted, uncalled for, and I highly regret that. I personally also disassociate myself from the comments. I don't share the same opinion.
You have answered that one. I want you to answer the second and third question in under 1 minute. We are running against a crazy timeline.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Well guided. On the second question on the fire, I informed this house, and I again submit, that the fire was thrown into my home from the fence. It did not originate. It did not originate from my house. And then there is some distance between the cow shed that you saw and the wall, that is the fence. And that is the reason as to why it was not able to burn the cow shed, because there is some distance. And again, the watchman who was awake at that particular time, you could see him coming and trying to find out what has caused the fire with a torch. And it is from that instance that the watchman woke up those who take care of the cows to come and assist him put off the fire. So I again submit that fire, I cannot confirm the origin of the fire, but it was drone. And indeed, when I reported to the police, they came, collected the exhibits, including what was thrown into my compound, and it was smelling a lot of petrol. And even now, they have those exhibits at Nkobo Police Station. On point number 3, I submit that the disease that the farmers from Moruko were talking about was the rampant skin disease. And indeed, I submit to this house that I'm also a farmer. I do farming. I also end a challenge. But I submit that I did not seek a statement in the County Assembly of Meru. I did not file a petition, but I can say I have sought over 15 statements of other issues in the County Assembly of Meru. Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Thank you. I will allow Senator Manzo, Daniel Tonga.